Let's see this question from functions. We are given that f of x is equals to x square sine pi by x square when x is not 0 and 0 when x is equals to 0. Then option A says this fx equals to 0 has an infinitely many solutions in this interval. For fx to be 0 at some non-zero point, so this has to be 0, which means sine pi by x square is equals to 0, which means 1 upon x square is equals to an integer. Let's note it by k. So what option A says is that there are infinitely many integers when x 1 by x square when x is greater than equals to 1 upon 10 to the power 10. So if x is in this range, that means 1 by x square is in 0 to 1 upon. So the number of integers in this interval, there are a lot of this is this. So there are a lot of integers, but there are finitely many. So there are 10 to the power 20 integers in this range, but they are finite. So option A is wrong. Let's see B. No solutions in this interval. That means for x in 1 by pi to infinity, 1 by x square is in 0 to pi square. So pi square is more than 9, so there are definitely a few integers in this interval. So B is also wrong. For C, x is in 0 to 1 upon 10 to the power of 10, which gives us 1 by x square is in 10 to the power of 20 to infinity. So there are infinitely many integers in this interval. So the set of solutions of fx equals to 0 in this interval is not finite. C is also wrong. That means D is correct. Let's check that out anyways. X is in 1 upon pi to 1 upon pi square, which gives us 1 upon x square is in pi square to 4. So pi square is less than, it's around 10, which gives this is around 100. So yeah, there are definitely more than 25 integers. So there are more than 25 solutions for this equation. So D is correct.